Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a link in your site menu in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter one of your websites. First, go to the Pages tab and just with your mouse hover over this plus circle and select New Link. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. A new window pops up. Now give your new link a name, for example, test, and you can also select a new link or select one of your pages. In my case, I will go with a new link and hit done. As you can see, the new link is added to your pages window and also on your website menu. Don't forget to hit the publish button to save your changes. Click again on publish and let's view your website live. And this is how to add a new link in your site menu in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.